Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will see how we can turn on Windows Defender on Windows 11. This is an app that comes installed with Windows and it protects you from viruses. Maybe you are having problems with malware or just want to check the status. At the end, we'll also have a look at a good free antivirus. This is where we can check the status of the antivirus. To get here, we're going to just close this window. We need to right click on the start button and then left click on settings. Now we want to left click on privacy and security on the left, and we are looking for Windows security. Left click to open the category. Over here we see the different protection areas. We are interested in the virus and threat protection, so I'm gonna left click it, and this will open the Windows security window. Over here we can see that the protection is turned off, the real-time protection. You can left click on manage settings over here to see all the protection features. We have the real-time protection, the cloud delivered protection, and the automatic sample submission. Lastly, the tamper protection. You can left click on the buttons to enable or disable any of the options. So we're gonna left click and enable them. If the user account control asks for permission, left click on yes. And right now, as we can see, it is turned on. What you can also do, if you go to virus and threat protection on the left, is to perform a quick scan by left clicking. This will scan your device for any viruses. It's a fairly simple thing to do. It's most likely that Windows Defender is turned on your device by default, but if for any reason it is turned off, this is where you can change the settings. As we promised, there are also free antiviruses on the market, and they are worth having a look at. I'm going to double left click Microsoft Edge to open our browser, and what we want to show you today is Avira free antivirus. Just type in search Avira free and then enter, and we are looking for the avira.com website. I'm gonna left click on this link that says Windows free download. They also offer a paid version of the software, but that's optional. You can download the program for free over here by left clicking on this button, and it will offer real-time protection, the same as Windows Defender does, but it also has a lot of features. For example, it checks privacy issues, performance issues, updated apps, and so on. So if you want to have a look at a free antivirus, Avira is one that we tried and it's really good. Okay guys, thank you for watching our video. We hope this helps you with your problem. Subscribe for future tips.